Hey there! Ever wonder what makes a message truly resonate? Often, it's not just the words, but how we say them. Imagine each word sparking a reaction, grabbing attention. It's amazing how a slight tone shift can deepen a connection. We all just want to be understood, right? Sometimes, even a small smile or nod makes a world of difference, turning an ordinary exchange into something memorable. Communication's like storytelling. Think of the last time words captivated you. What made it stick? A thoughtful pause? A tone change? Isn't it fascinating? Each word has energy, and how we share them transforms conversations. It's incredible how much we convey without knowing it. The way you say something can change its meaning entirely. Maybe that's why simple conversations often mean the most. And isn't it funny how sometimes it's not even the words we remember, but the feeling they left us with? A simple phrase, said just the right way, can echo in our minds for days.